So Toontastic is a brilliant app for creating stories without having to have text. So you click on the link, go to add, and you can have a short story, 3 parts, classic story, 5 parts, or a science report. So you can click on whichever one you want. Then you have beginning, middle, and end for 3 parts. So click on beginning. It will then tell you what the beginning means. So it will give you a little instruction for the child. Then you can choose which background you want, which setting. So you can either choose one of those ones, or you can make one of your own settings as well. Once you've done that, it will then come up with the characters, and again you can draw your own. So you pick which characters you want. You can also edit them. And then you can begin your story. So you put your characters where you want to begin the story. You can put them off the screen, on screen, entirely up to you. And you can click and drag, and it will drag your characters onto the screen. And you can see the mouth moves when you talk. You can move their arms, and you can bring in the other characters and make them interact. You can also move around the set. When you do that, you can then click and drag to bring them on. You can see here, you can jump over. So it just makes it a bit more interactive, and they can talk over all this. You get about a minute recording for each screen. Once you've done that, it will then play it back to you. You can then add music. So you can have like different styles of music, whether you want it happy, sad, etc. using the sliders. Once you've done that, click finish, and then you can do the other parts as well if you want. You don't have to do all 3 parts. Then it will save it with your name and your title. It will then play back the whole thing to you. You don't have to watch it. You can just click the X in the top left hand corner if you tap the screen once. And then from there you can export the video, clicking the export video button at the bottom, and that will then save to your photo gallery, which you can AirPlay.